Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into the latest on how to use Affirm with Teachables in 2025. If you're an educator selling courses or a learner looking for flexible payment options, this update is a game changer. Affirm is that awesome buy now pay later service that lets you split payments without hidden fees, and Teachables is the go-to platform for creating and selling online courses. With the 2025 updates, integration has never been smoother, making it easier to manage transactions and boost your sales or learning experience. First things first, let's get you set up. Start by signing up for an Affirm account if you haven't already. Head to the Affirm website, download the app, or use their website to create a free account. It's quick and secure, just enter your basic info, and you'll be verified in minutes. Once that's done, log into your Teachables dashboard. Look for the Payment Options section in your settings. It's usually under Store or Monetization. Here, you'll see a new option for 2025, Seamless Affirm Integration. Click on it and follow the prompts to connect your Affirm account. This might involve authorizing permissions, but it's straightforward and only takes a couple of clicks. Now, for the fun part, making it work for you. If you're a seller, enable Affirm as a payment method for your courses. Buyers will see the option to pay in installments right at checkout, which can increase your conversion rates since it's more affordable for them. As a buyer, when you purchase a Teachables course, select Affirm at checkout, choose your payment plan, options like 3, 6, or 12 months, and confirm. The 2025 update includes better interest rate transparency and faster approval times, so you'll know instantly if you're approved. One key benefit? It's all about flexibility. No more worrying about upfront costs. Affirm helps you budget better while supporting creators on Teachables. Remember, always check for any eligibility requirements, like minimum purchase amounts, to avoid surprises. If you run into any issues, both platforms have excellent support chats. There you have it. Using Affirm with Teachables in 2025 is simple, smart, and super convenient. Give it a try and level up your online learning or teaching game. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.